This is a quick run through of the CoAssemble course builder. You can see here from my main dashboard here as a trainer, I have a number of different courses that I can jump into to go and edit. I can also create a new course from scratch. If I want to do that, I can either start from scratch or use a pre-built template, which you can see here. There are currently 4 options if you'd like to choose a template. For this example, I'll just go in and use an existing course. I'll use this Onboarding for Customer Success course. Perfect. Now that we're inside this course, I can see here on the left-hand side, I can build a course overview. So what I can do is click an image or select an image here. I can edit that. Using our image editor, I can upload my own image. I can also select an image from Unsplash, who we partnered with and is integrated right into the application. I can add a title, I can customize that. I can also add how many modules are in the course and also how long I expect the course to take for my learners. Automatically, the system will show what trainer will be affiliated with the course, and also if there is a deadline for the course. That can be set by the learner or for groups of learners. That will display here. And then there will be a Start Course button that will be available to the learners as well. I can add an overview as well to my course, as well as a welcome video. And any modules that I have that are built into the course will populate here. Now, when it comes to adding modules, I have a number of different options I can do. There's actually 7 different types of modules we can add. The most fun ones are probably your interactive modules. These are what you can build directly into the CoAssemble course builder. So lesson modules where you can present information, sort of like a slide deck. However, you'll see here in just a moment, you can actually make it quite a bit more interactive than just a typical slide deck where images are, say, stagnant or are sort of not able to be interacted with. Or we can build quizzes or assignments for assessments. So when we actually want the learners to show that they've retained whatever we are training them on. Lastly, if you do have content already that's sort of ready-made and ready to come in, you can bring those in. So documents, videos, external links to the web, you can bring those all in, as well as SCORM packages from other authoring tools if you have those already. Let's go ahead and jump into a lesson module just to show you a little bit of what that looks like. So you can see here, when I jump into a lesson module, there are a number of screens I can use. And what's really cool about these, I'll just go ahead and preview so you can see what this looks like from a learner's perspective, is that they're engaging, many of these. So I can actually click on one of these words on the periphery. This is called our word circle template. And it'll just rotate around and present this information in a really fun way. Building these is not only encouraged, but it's really fun to do because the design of the platform is such that it's pretty easy to go ahead and drop in your content. So let's go ahead and navigate back to the creator side. And I'll just quickly show you here before we go ahead and edit any of these. There are a number of these different templates. These are pre-designed, and there's actually over 30 of them, depending on what you'd like to do. Interactive screens will give you a lot of different options for actually how to make the content engaging. Down below, you can see we've got challenge screens. This is where you can actually go ahead and ask a question and ask the learner to complete an activity. So if you want them to, say, drag process steps into the correct order, that's a really good one if you're looking to convey a process. We do have some extra miscellaneous screens down here at the bottom, a finish screen for the lesson, a case study, which is sort of like a flashcard, a branching scenario, really good for if you're looking to walk them through sort of a scenario, a choose your own adventure style of learning, or just a straight up document upload. So if you want them to upload a document on their end, you can do that. So there are a lot of options we can do here. Let's just jump into the example we already have here, which is the word circle. And you can see how quickly I could, if I wanted to just add another idea here, right? Let's see, interested, right? In the conversation, and we could just add some text here. And we can format that text however we'd like. We can change the sizing as well. We could bullet or number. In some parts of the platform, you can also add additional multimedia. So if you have pictures, videos, audio, what have you, you can add that in as well. And when I'm done making those changes, I can go ahead and click Save Changes, and those will go live. If I need to remove these or duplicate or even change the item color, I can do that really easily, which is a really cool feature here. Smart layout. I can add a description at the top, but I'm good. Cool, so our course is ready to go. We can then send it out using this enrollments tab or view it here. The last thing we just want to do is hit the publish button before we go live and just select which modules we want to update. So we can hit publish there. This has been a really quick update and review of how the CoAssemble authoring tool works. Hope you enjoyed.